So how do we have things like the Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy colliding one day if everything's expanding?
Okay, so we'll do two things here. So number one is we'll have to remember that balloon picture is an analogy, right? So expanded space, I can talk about it in terms of the mathematics. It looks a bit like a balloon, but it's not a balloon. Now, the thing is that if you want to think about it as the expanding balloon, and you've got your galaxies, let's say you put like let's put we don't have 1 cent in Australia, 5 cent pieces on the balloon, right? And as you said, as you blow up the balloon, you expect that the distances between all of those objects to increase. So how come Andromeda is heading towards us? Well, what you have to remember is that in the universe, there are two competing forces at work, effectively, right? And forces in air quote here. Number one is the expansion, which is trying to pull everything apart, and number two is gravity, which is trying to pull everything together. Okay,
right.
And
so let me add something there, right? So you're saying gravity is part of it. Gravity's pulling things together. That's how we orbit our sun. Yeah.
Yeah.
How is the moon moving further away from the Earth? Isn't the gravity of the Earth pulling the moon towards us?
Yeah.